Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your RedMagic 11 Air heating while charging. So first, it's completely normal that your device is heating while charging if you use the fast charging option. So to check if you do, go over into the settings and open up the battery. Now here you will have the turbocharge, and for me it's enabled, so if my device heats up I just simply don't care that much because I know I'm using the turbocharge option here. So you guys can disable it and now your phone should not heat up. What you guys want to do next is check for background apps right here at the bottom to see how much percent does the app use in the background. As you guys can see, this is running the 2 hours 15 minutes and 30 seconds in the background, but you cannot do anything to it. You need to find the app that you can actually manage. So for example, YouTube Music, but here I've already changed it, like the background running I set it to not allowed, and this is how you guys can set up some apps that you can change. Now what you guys want to do next is make sure that you're using an original charger and a cable. It's very important to keep up with the original ones, and if you buy the third-party charger and a cable, then your phone can heat up because the charger is just not made for it. Now I know that it's a gaming phone and that it has 144 Hz, it's very strong, but do not use your phone while charging. So don't play games on it, don't scroll YouTube, watch Netflix or anything. Just let the phone charge to, let's say, 80 or 100% depending on your charging schedule, and then you can use it afterwards. Now what you guys can also do is remove this case right here to improve the heat dissipation. So this is very important because sometimes heat can be trapped here, and if it's trapped here then your phone is just heating up, and we definitely do not want it. So during the charge you can easily remove the case and everything should be okay. Now last, you need to charge the phone in a cool and ventilated area. Do not charge it in the sun because your phone will heat up, your battery will be a bit damaged, and long charging in the sun can make your battery simply drained. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.